So now we fast forwarded to an endgame state. You can see that most of the player planets have been destroyed. If an attack lands on a player planet with a Patriarch unit, this is an endgame unit, and reduces the planet's HP to 0 from an initial value of 3 that can be decremented by 1 per attack with a Patriarch unit, the planet is destroyed and the player loses the game. So at this time, we have an inbound attack from our upper player to our lower player that will arrive in 1 minute and 50 seconds that will eliminate the lower player from the game and end the game. But in the meantime, we can show off, in addition to the planet destruction feature that has already been shown off, we can show the planet takeover feature. So our top user has been doing a lot of work. This is the endgame base with everything upgraded as far as it will go. The Patriarch unit can be found here that will destroy other planets if it's present in an attack. And the Hive Mind unit here is a very expensive late game unit, will take over the planet when the planet's HP reaches 0. So this top user has taken over a planet here that we can go and visit. Now this is the early game bots planet, and as you can see, almost nothing has been done here. We can start to upgrade our resources, but it won't matter. The game will end shortly enough. So we're now looking at the perspective of the early game planet that we took over earlier, so we can switch back to our high level planet and look at the status of our attack again, which will arrive in 15 seconds. Now, we saw the planet exploded on our top player screen, but in order to force a refresh, we're going to quit the application entirely, so we don't have to wait the 2 minutes. Now we see the victory screen as we've taken over every available planet and destroyed the rest, and we're seeing the defeated screen on our lower player here. Now, some of our statistics are a little off here in that the game was fast forwarded manually by modifying the database, so our KD is a little unrealistic. But we can go back and review our attacks. The attack that won the game for us was this last one. We'll see the attacker had a single Patriarch unit, and that reduced our base HP to 0, and that is why we lost the game. Now we can both return to the main menu. We can take a look at our profile, see that our top player now has a win. We're ranked number 1 on the leaderboard. Abe is now number 1. Jake is number 2. And now we can also join the lobby and start another game with another randomized map. This concludes the Altair demo.